In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload high-quality video on Google Drive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. If you aren't already signed in, Google will prompt you to log in so you can access your files. Once you're on the Google homepage, look toward the top right and find the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. From that panel, choose Drive. This takes you into your Google Drive, where you'll see your folders and files. To begin the upload, look to the top left and click the New button. A menu will appear with different upload options. Select File Upload. Your computer's file picker window will open. Navigate to the location where your high-quality video is stored. To preserve quality, pick the original uncompressed file from your camera, editor, or export folder. Common formats like MP4 and MOV work well. Highlight the file and confirm to start the upload. You'll see the upload progress appear in the bottom right corner of Drive. Larger files, higher resolutions like 4K, and higher bit rates will take longer, so give it time. Keep your browser tab open and maintain a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. If you're on a laptop, staying plugged into power helps prevent sleep mode from pausing the upload. Don't worry if you need to use your computer while it uploads. Drive will continue in the background as long as the tab stays open. Also, make sure you have enough storage space available in your drive. If you're near your limit, the upload may stop before it completes. When the upload finishes, Drive may still process the video to generate a streaming preview. This processing is normal and can take a while for large or high-resolution files. The important thing to know is that the original file you uploaded is stored as is. Even if the preview looks a bit soft at first, the stored file retains its full quality, and the preview usually improves once processing completes. Now open your video from My Drive. Click the file to launch the built-in player. If the preview isn't in the highest quality immediately, give it a few minutes and try again. You can also check the file details in Drive to confirm the size and format match what you uploaded, which is a good way to verify you preserved the original quality. And that's it. Your high-quality video is safely uploaded to Google Drive and ready to view or use.